Congratulations on the purchase of your new Haiku ceiling fan. This video will show you how to install your Lux Series fan universal mount and optional LED light kit. Included in your fan's packaging are the screws, bolts, brackets, and other materials required to hang your fan. First, gather the tools you'll need: a ladder, Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and wire strippers. Next, turn off the power to the location of the outlet box where you want to install your fan. Make sure that the outlet box in your ceiling is suitable for fan support. If there isn't an outlet box where you'd like to install your fan, one must be installed on a ceiling joist or beam and be properly wired. If there is a red wire in the outlet box, go ahead and cap it and push it into the box. You will not need it. In order to get a good connection, you may have to strip a small amount of rubber insulation from the wires. Now you'll install the airfoils on your fan's hub. Start by matching the stickers on the airfoils to those on the fan hub. Haiku fans are specially balanced, so it's important that the stickers match. Align the airfoil with the fan hub tab and slide it into place. Next, secure the airfoils with the provided airfoil screws and grommets. Moving clockwise around the fan, secure the remaining airfoils to the appropriate locations on the hub. Next, unscrew the plastic protective cover from the bottom of the fan and recycle it. If you did not purchase the LED light kit, you will now install the lower cover on the fan hub. Align the 4 slots on the lower cover with the 4 small round tabs on the bottom of the fan hub. Turn the lower cover clockwise to lock it into place. You're now ready to begin mounting the fan without the LED light kit. If you did purchase the LED light kit, you will install the light now. If the fan's lower cover is already installed, carefully twist counterclockwise to remove. Attach the light module to the fan with the 4 included screws. Please note that the light kit must be positioned so that the wiring harness can reach the wiring receptacle on the fan's circuit board. Plug the wiring harness from the light module into the wiring receptacle on the fan's circuit board. Tuck the wires gently into the groove on the light module so they won't be visible after installation. You are now ready to choose a lens to install. For brighter lighting, install the white lens. For more diffuse lighting, install the smoky lens. Once you've selected a lens, attach the lens trim by pressing it gently into place. The lens trim can be used in both the white and smoky lenses. Next, attach the lens by aligning the 4 slots on the lens with the 4 small round tabs on the bottom of the fan hub. Turn the lens clockwise to lock it into place. You're now ready to hang your Haiku fan using the universal mount. Make sure that power has been disconnected from the fan install site. Ensure wiring has been properly routed to the site and that the supply wires are hanging from the ceiling opening. Begin with the fan in an upright position. Loosely secure the motor brackets to the motor using the M6 by 28 mm bolt and M6 nut. Please note that the wiring connector and fan hub connector should be on opposite sides of the extension tube to ensure that the connectors meet properly. Install the extension tube using the M6 by 32 mm bolt and M6 nut. Securely tighten both bolts. Plug the wiring harness from the extension tube into the wiring harness from the fan. Install the safety cable lug to the motor shaft and ground wire lug to the labeled hole on the motor brackets with the 2 unpainted screws and lock washers. Secure the wiring harness to the motor brackets with the provided cable tie. Make sure the wires are tightly secure against the motor brackets so that wiring cover seats properly. Slide the wiring cover over the extension tube. Make sure no wiring is visible between the cover and the fan hub. Slide the canopy over the extension tube, temporarily resting it on the wire cover. Slide the mounting ball over the extension tube. Insert the steel pin into the hole at the top of the extension tube, then slide the mounting ball upward, seating the pin in the ball's inner slots. Insert the wedge into the mounting ball. Secure the wedge with the self-tapping screw. Tighten the screw enough to prevent movement between the mounting ball and the extension tube. Be careful not to over-tighten. Secure the mounting bracket to the outlet box using the hardware supplied with the outlet box. If mounting the fan to a sloped ceiling, secure the mounting bracket so that the open side of the bracket is facing up the slope of the ceiling. Next, you will connect fan wires to the supply wires. Twist the ends together securely and secure the connections with wire nuts. Match black wire with black wire, white with white. Do not connect the green ground wire at this time. Test the wire connections by lightly tugging on the wire nuts. Raise the fan to the mounting bracket. Align the slot and the mounting ball with the rib in the bracket. Insert the mounting ball and let the fan hang freely. Gently twist the extension tube to ensure it is properly seated and won't move during fan operation. Connect the power supply wiring harness to the extension tube wiring harness. Then, secure the green ground wire from the extension tube to the ground wire hanging through the mounting bracket. Once the mount is secured, loop the safety cable around the mounting bracket, then secure it with the shackle. Once the mount and all wiring is secured, raise the canopy to the mounting bracket, lining up the 4 holes on the canopy to the holes on the bracket. Secure the canopy to the bracket with the 4 painted screws. Ensure that both the safety cable and wiring are not visible. Restore power to the fan and test to ensure that your Haiku fan is working properly. To learn more about Haiku Home, please visit www.haikuhome.com.